Would you ever like to see your child give up their passion? Well, you made your parents do just that by giving up yours. Remember the days when, as a child, you constantly explored new hobbies and your love for them? You started learning it, enjoying it, sweated hard, honing your hobby into your passion and perfecting it. And then you had to trade your passion for your newfound responsibilities. Have you ever asked yourself why? This Mother's Day, make a commitment to yourself to rediscover your passion, rediscover yourself.